U.S. stocks finished well into the red on Monday, as investors eyed this week's trade talks between the U.S. and China and a slew of earnings releases, including a major earnings miss by one of the Dow's major blue-chip outfits and one of Wall Street's tech darlings. The Dow Jones Industrial Average ended the session down 0.84% at 24,528.22 ds. U.S. stocks were heading south from the opening bell earlier, after the president warned that another government shutdown could be on the horizon, just days after the nation's longest had drawn to a close. There was also a massive earnings miss by Caterpillar, which took a significant chunk out of the Dow. Blaming lower demand in China, the maker of construction and mining equipment said that sales in Asia Pacific fell during the quarter. With so much to focus on this week, it could get quite volatile in the markets, said Owanda analyst Kreger Lamb earlier. Wednesday's Fed decision may be the least impactful of the lot, with the central bank having indicated that it's going to take a more patient approach to tightening, and with no fresh projections due until March, it may just sit this one out. Lamb explained that, while the jobs report on Friday would still attract attention, the numbers were highly likely to be skewed by the shutdown, so would be taken with a pinch of salt. That leaves the two big events this week: the vote in UK Parliament on Theresa May's Plan B, and the amendments to it that are put forward, and the high-level trade talks in Washington, with Vice Premier Liu He leading a delegation. Although the temporary government shutdown came to an end on Friday, investors were seemingly still on edge after Trump told the Wall Street Journal over the weekend that another shutdown was certainly an option. Meanwhile, Sino-U.S. relations were also in focus, as Vice Premier Liu was set to meet U.S. Trade Representative Robert Lighthizer in Washington on Wednesday for 2 days of talks. On the data front, the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index for January showed that broader business conditions in the area had bounced back from lows in December. The General Business Activity Index rebounded from a multi-year low of -5.1 in December to 1.0 in January, according to the Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas. The near-zero reading seemed to suggest that manufacturers in the Dallas region were fairly balanced in their assessment of whether activity had improved or worsened from last month. In corporate news, Caterpillar shares tanked 9.13% after it reported a big earnings miss before the bell. The company's guidance for the next quarter also fell short of analysts' estimates. Shares in technology company Nvidia were also lower, erasing 0.13% as it cut its revenue guidance due to deteriorating macroeconomic conditions, mostly in China. In an update for the fourth quarter of fiscal 2019, the group said it now expects revenue of $2.2 billion, down from previous guidance of $2.70 billion, as consumer demand for its graphics processing units has taken a hit as a result of a crypto hangover. Adding Nvidia's poor performance to Apple's warning earlier in the month, fellow chip maker Advanced Micro Devices was also down 7.98% in early trade, while Intel and Texas Instruments were both weaker by 0.7% and 1.66%, respectively. Investors were also holding their breath ahead of a report from tech giant Apple on Tuesday. Russ Mould, investment director at AJ Bell, said investors will be looking for some reassurance after the profit warning earlier this month, with the important numbers not being those for the first quarter, but any guidance from boss Tim Cook about the second quarter and beyond. Using the midpoint of the revised guidance provided by Tim Cook on the 3rd of January, Apple is expected to record an earnings per share figure of $4.16 for its fiscal first quarter, he said. That still represents year-on-year growth of some 7%, despite the 10% downgrades implied by the trading alert, but all of that increase comes from a drop in the tax charge and a lower share count following the company's massive share buyback scheme. Dow Jones, risers Dow DuPont Inc. DWDP $58.13, 3.20%. Johnson JPM $103.87, 1.11%. Goldman Sachs Group Inc. GS, $199.72, 0.97%. American Express Co., AXP, $100.39, 0.67%. Travelers Company Inc., TRV, $125.03, 0.52%. 3M Co., $193.20, 0.35%. Dow Jones, Fallers Caterpillar Inc., CAT, $124.37, minus 6.30%. Verizon Communications Inc., VZ, $55.07, minus 3.50%. Pfizer Inc., PFE, $39.53, minus 3.47%. McDonald's Corp. MCD, $183.63, minus 2.01%. Microsoft Corp. MSFT, $105.08, minus 1.95%. Walmart Inc., WMT, $97.06, minus 1.32%. Visa Inc., V, $135.99, minus 1.24%. Chevron Corp. CVX, $112.23, minus 1.18%. Coca-Cola Co., $47.16, minus 1.09%. Apple Inc., AAPL, $156.30, minus 0.93%. S. Inc. L, $131.98, 5.39%. Macy's Inc. M, $25.72, 4.94%. Mel Inc. Prod. PLC Ordinary Shares, M&K, $21.59, 4.91%. Tapestry Inc. TPR, $37.88, 4.87%. United States Steel Corp. X, $21.71, 4.83%. Altria Group Inc., Mo, $45.30, 4.55%. And American Airlines Group, AAAL, $36.57, 4.55%. Hanes Brand Inc., HBI, $15.37, 4.42%. Range Resources Corp., RRC, $11.27, 4.26%. S. R. Horton Inc., DHI, $36.39, minus 4.99%. NextEra Energy Inc., NE, $172.47, minus 4.33%. Freeport McMoran Inc., FCX, $10.28, minus 3.93%. NRG Energy Inc., NRG, $40.14, minus 3.81%. Intuitive Surgical Inc., ISRG, $496.73, minus 3.56%. Verizon Communications Inc., VZ, $55.07, minus 3.50%. Nasdaq 100 Risers. American Airlines Group, AAAL, $36.57, 4.55%. Mercado Libre Inc., Melli, $355, 3.53%. Symantec Corp. SYMC, $20.85, 2.31%. Western Digital Corp. WDC, $44, 1.95%. Checkpoint Software Technologies Limited, CHKP, $109.64, 1.53%. Liberty Global plc Series A, LBTYA, $23.43, 1.21%. Liberty Global plc Series C, LBTYK, $22.62, 1.21%. Mondelez International Inc., AMGN, $191.95, minus 3.43%. Align Technology Inc.,